Hi everyone, so we've come back to North Weald today. We are going on holiday tomorrow and we just thought we'd try and get a family day out just really quickly before we start packing. So we've come back to North Weald, haven't we, Ollie? Yeah. And there's loads of stuff going on because this weekend coming, it's probably gone now by the time you're watching that, is the 80th anniversary of, I think, the D-Day landings. So there's loads of aircraft here at North Weald, lots of stuff going on, and you can see it just in the background. You've got the DC-3s or the, is it C-47s? So the Dakotas have come in for the celebration at the weekend. So we'll see what we can see and film and see if we can get close to some aircraft as well, while getting a coffee and a drink.
Oh, it looks like it's not moving.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
The other day when we came here, we went to Wings Cafe, which is across the road by, well, like the other side of the EHAT building here. But we've just come to Rosie Lee, which is a place that I've not been before. So we're gonna get a tea and a coffee and something to eat for the kids. And this view here is really cool, have a look. So from here, we've got a really great view of the Dakotas down there. There's a double-seater Spitfire, a couple of other planes that I don't know. We've got G-Piku, which I saw the other day, sitting on the EHAT base. NPAS helicopter there as well. And then there's a couple of small little planes. There's another Dakota behind that fuel tank. You can see the kids at the end there. Maybe that will fire up soon. Apparently they're going to fly at some point if they can, if the weather's good. So I'm not sure. At least we'll get a cup of tea and see some stuff go past.
Do you want a hot chocolate or baby tea?
Like something. What is it? Wow! What is it? Should we explore? Let's go in. Wow. Let's go in. Hello?
Don't
Should we go in? Let's go in. Wow.
This is fun! Woohoo!
You alright, Ollie? Did you fall?
No.
Yeah? Do you want to get up? Up?
Put this on?
No.
Yes, because everyone's sensible and sits inside because it's raining.
Can you help him up?
Charlie, look, it's going.
you doing, Charlie?
So I just climbed this tree
Yeah.
and it's a little bit dangerous because I might break my arm. And so we're at the Crookfield and we just saw an aeroplane take off and the white one already did take off. So
Yeah. Don't forget to.
subscribe. So don't just click channel and get on subscribe 1. See you next time.
Right, jump down then.
Cannonball!
What do you say? Go.
Cheese!
Cheese. You got bogies, but say cheese.
Cheese.
Mummy, say cheese.
Let me do your bogies.
Say cheese, Mummy.
Cheese. Don't.
Can we do a
No, get down.
video?
Get down.
Yeah, doing a video now.
Get down.
Oh.
What do you want to say?
So we just at
North Weald.
Northfield and we're just going to see some planes take off
And get some
Yeah.
food.
and get some food
And some coffee.
and some coffee
And some hot
Yeah.
chocolate.
and some hot chocolate.
Yeah.
And we're just going to see you later.
Yeah. What are we doing tomorrow?
Holiday!
Holiday. Charlie, what did you have to eat?
I don't know.
Just some food.
Whoa.
You see a big plane?
Some fish.
Yeah.
Ambulance helicopter.
Is it?
Yeah, because it's got that thing on it. See? It's powering up.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can you hear it?
Whoa!
Charlie, do you like the planes? sad because you got stung? Charlie got stung by stinging nettles when he went to try and climb, so he's not feeling very good.
Oh,
It's annoying, isn't it?
Where did it sting you? We put special cream on it when we get home.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed watching all the planes go past. We had a really nice lunch and coffee session. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe if you haven't, because it really helps the channel out. We're really wanting to get to 1,000. And if you like this vlog, this one here will be right up your street as well. That's another vlog to watch. See you soon. Bye.